What's up guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best hand saw in 2022. There's a lot of choice for hand saw. Hand saws go back to the origin of cutting lumber and turning the wood into houses, furniture, ornaments, and many of the tools that made life easier. Before the era of power tools, the range of hand saws included the two-person crosscut saw used by lumberjacks to fell giant redwood trees to the figure saw used by carpenters. There are 5 types of hand saws, all designed for specific purposes. We will look at each type and recommend a good brand and model for each type. We will look at the universal hand saw, tenon saw, jab saw, coping saw, flush cut saw, bow saw, pruning saw, and frame saw. These 5 saw types are those most commonly found for use in the garden of orchards and the woodwork shop. Let's look at each type of saw and some of the products available in the market of each type. In the hands of an expert woodworker, no job cannot be done better by hand. The power tool era has made working wood faster, but handcrafted items still represent the pinnacle of woodwork. The satisfaction of using hand tools to make a fine piece of furniture cannot be rivaled. TopHomeGuide.com. Search Top Home Guide before choose your product. Now let's get started. Number 1. Willfix 16 inches Pro Hand Saw. When it comes to hand saws, most DIYers want something that can handle a variety of tasks. With its 9 TPI and deep gullets, this saw can quickly make cross cuts through wood, rip boards, and make the occasional cut through a tree limb. It has enough flex to be forgiving but can still manage rapid cutting, and is our pick for the all-around wood cutting hand saw. This small hand saw's 16-inch blade allows for long strokes that cut in both directions, which speeds up the cutting process. It's also comfortable to use thanks to its lightweight design. It weighs less than a pound and an ergonomic slip-resistant grip that provides both control and comfort. With its versatile design and comfortable handle, this is an excellent handsaw for everyday use. Specification and features. Brand: Willfix. Blade material: high carbon steel. Surface recommendation: wood, plastic. Item weight: 13.6 ounces. Blade length: 16 inches. Reasons to buy. Gripped, slip-resistant handle. Lightweight design. Suitable for wood, boards, and small tree limbs. Reasons to avoid. Not meant for heavy-duty use. Number 2. Craftsman Hand Saw. One advantage of hand saws is that they are much less expensive than their power saw successors, as you can see by the price tag of this Craftsman 15-inch handsaw. It features a tooth configuration that makes deeper cuts on the downstroke and milder cuts on the backstroke for fast, smooth cuts. With its induction-hardened fine teeth, this durable stainless steel blade will stay sharp for a long time. It's one of the most inexpensive tree-cutting hand saws that doesn't compromise efficiency for price. For added control, this saw boasts a beefy handle, giving you something substantial to hold, as well as a rubberized grip, for greater comfort when sawing thicker boards. The handle also features built-in 90 and 45-degree angles, so you can draw clean and precise cut lines with the dull side of the blade. Specification and features. Brand: Craftsman. Blade material: high-speed steel. Surface recommendation: wood, plastic. Power source: manual. Included components: saw. Length: 15 inches. Reasons to buy. Dual tooth configuration. Induction hardened teeth. Sturdy handle. Built-in 90 and 45-degree angles for precise cutting. Reasons to avoid. Not suitable for use on plastic, concrete, drywall, or metal. Number 3. Eversaw Folding Hand Saw. There are many uses for portable hand saws on camping trips, from making kindling to cutting long branches. For a durable, reliable option, the Home Planet Gear folding saw could be just the ticket. Made with a medium tooth, 8-inch blade with 9 TPI, it can cut through small branches and twigs easily through pull stokes. This design also folds inwardly with a slotted screw and locks in place for safekeeping. The ribbed rubber handle allows for a firm grip while in use, and the small hole in the bottom of the grip allows you to attach this saw to your belt or backpack easily. Specification and features. Brand: Home Planet Gear. Color: black. Blade material, carbon steel. Surface recommendation, wood, plastic. Power source, hand-powered. Length, 17 inches, extended, 9 inches, retracted. Reasons to buy. Retractable design, blade locks into place. Pole cutting technology. Hole built-in for attaching to backpacks or belts. Reasons to avoid. Not suitable for heavy-duty use. Slotted screw may require some tightening. Number 4. Stanley FatMax Hand Saw. Stanley has been the premier name in home and also commercial tools for over 170 years, and whatever type of carpentry, woodworking tasks you have to do, the FatMax hand saw is the perfect tool, and it is also excellent value for money. The Stanley FatMax 15-inch crosscut saw has a 9 teeth per inch thick steel blade. As it has been designed with sharp tooth TM technology, it allows you to cut through all kinds of wood and plastic. It is especially proficient at cutting straighter cuts with less binding. Working with the Stanley hand saw is a handyman's dream, as its 3 cutting surfaces can cut up to 50% faster than conventional saws, and its induction hardened teeth stay sharp up to 5 times longer than standard teeth, so you can expect a high level of durability and cutting performance. It is especially good at cutting quick lumber cuts and also sharp enough to trip 2-inch tree limbs. Gripping the hand saw is effortless and easy to control even when you are working with hardwood, as the thick plastic handle has an ergonomically designed rubber grip that is comfortable to hold and helps to reduce any slipping. A versatile hand saw, it can be used for DIY renovations or carpentry jobs, as the back of the saw can be used to mark 45 and 90 degrees angles for quick and easy measuring. Specification and features. Brand, Stanley. Color, wood/black. Blade material, alloy steel. Power source, manual. Color, wood, black. Blade length, 15 inches. Item weight, 14.8 ounces. Product dimensions, 17.8 lx 5 inches wide by 1.3 inches high. Reasons to buy. 9 teeth per inch thick blade and 15-inch blade. Great cutting performance. Can cut 2-inch tree limbs. Durable and easy to use. Reasons to avoid. Not ideal for cutting firewood. Not ideal for cutting very thick or hardwood. Will need to resharpen it after continuous use. Number 5. Irwin Tools Universal Handsaw. The reason why the Irwin Tools hand saw is such a highly sought after woodworking tool is that it rewards you with exceedingly high cutting performance. It has a high quality design, and it is also very easy to use. The amazing 15-inch hand saw has special triple ground extra sharp teeth that can cut and rip through wood 3 times faster than other similar hand saws. The universal tooth grind is designed to remove material quickly. Its innovative design combines the speed of a coarse cutting saw with the finish of a fine cutting saw, so you can expect a clean and accurate cutting action. The thick body blade incorporates a special water-based lacquer coating to help the blade to deliver fast, controlled cuts. The tapered pitch nose also improves clearance and provides extra stability throughout the cutting process. Whatever types of cutting tasks you need to perform, from rough cuts to finer cuts that need more operator control, the patent-pending blue and yellow handle has a unique design that eliminates binding and delivers full blade strokes. The high-density resin has been molded into an ergonomic shape, which is very comfortable to hold and also reduces any hand fatigue. Specification and features. Brand, Irwin. Color, blue. Blade material, high-speed steel. Power source, manual. Included components, 15 inches universal hand saw. Reasons to buy. Cuts and rips through wood 3 times faster than other hand saws. Unique handle design eliminates binding and also delivers full blade strokes. High quality design. Good level of stability. Reasons to avoid. Cannot resharpen it. Not ideal for hardwood or long cuts. You wanted the best. You got it. Thanks for watching. And that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time. See you guys later.